Lot number 108 is a 2014 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. This is an all-wheel drive model. It's got a 3.7 liter V6 with low miles, only 63,000 original miles. But this one has a very rough idle. You can probably see it on the video. The engine is steady shaking. It's got a very rough idle, and the accelerator appears to not be responsive. It's in some kind of limp mode. It says to see the manual. Check engine light is on and flashing. Let's look at all the warnings here. AC, front and rear AC still blow ice cold. Turn off that rear AC. All right. So it's got the check engine light on, traction control light. It's got the little wrench there. See, manual. Obviously manual. Oil change required. Service advanced track. All right. 63,758 original miles. 9,080 engine hours and 6,804 engine idle hours. Look at the RPMs. Very rough idle, and if I accelerate it, it does nothing. So this one obviously needs to be towed out of here. No mechanical work will be permitted on site. The engine itself does not sound bad. I don't hear any tapping or any knocking. It seems to me, and I am not a mechanic, that this is a fuel or ignition issue. This is not nothing broken inside the engine as far as I can tell. Engine sounds fine. Automatic transmission engages, and both front and rear AC blow cold. This one has a good battery. It starts right up. And even though it has a rough idle, I kept it running for about 30 minutes. And it didn't overheat. It's been running for about 20 minutes now. It hasn't overheated, and it doesn't shut off. It stumbles, but it doesn't turn off. All right, so here it is. It used to be a full police unit. All emergency equipment has been removed. It had a front push bar. The brackets are still there. Push bar was removed. The paint still looks fair, but it does have paint peeling on some spots. Also, I can see glue residue left on some spots from the decal removal. It's got all matching steel wheels. Tires look good. This one is missing the center cap. Only one is missing the center cap. Paint peeling right here along the doors on the passenger side. It's got a hole in the roof from the light bar that was removed. A little bit more paint peeling here. And it's got multiple dents on the passenger side rear quarter panel. Right there, hammered here. You can see there's still some glue residue left on some spots, not the whole vehicle. The liftgate has drilled holes from the emergency lights that were removed. It's got 6 drilled holes on the liftgate. Liftgate opens and closes as it should. Cargo area looks nice and neat. Some panels have screw holes from emergency lights that have been removed. Headliner looks good, but it does have screw holes back here, also from emergency lights that have been removed. You can hear the exhaust, how bad it's misfiring. Rear lens has a minor crack. Here's the driver's side, nice and straight. This looks like decal. Doesn't look like scratches. Nice straight body. No tints on this one. Headlights look dull. But it is a nice straight body. Let's look inside. It's got clear coat peeling. This looks like it has clear coat peeling all along the rear quarter panel here. Plastic rear seat. All the door panels are in place. They appear to be in good shape. The rear doors have screw holes around the edge from the cage that was removed. Driver door panel looks good, but it is torn right here in the corner like most of them. Rubber mat on the floor shows wear. It's got little tears in it and it's missing the foot peg there. Driver's seat is torn. Metal center console is included. Passenger seat looks good. Dashboard is not cracked. Steering wheel looks good. I showed you the miles and the hours. And I'll wrap it up so I can let this thing rest. There you have it. This one will need mechanical work. This one will need to be towed out of here. Maybe a simple fix. It's been out of service for almost a year, sitting in storage, so may need service. All right, there it is. Lot number 108, 2014 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. Good luck.